Welcome to this week's Themelia Market Wrap for the week ending August 7th, 2026. Well, crypto markets rose across the board this week with gains in nearly all listed products. BlackRock's IBIT, the Bitcoin ETF, rose 3.3%, while Bitwise's diversified crypto index fund BITW gained 2.9%. The Themelia All Tokens Index, which represents the broader crypto market, increased by 2.1%. Turning to spot Bitcoin ETF flows now, and Farside investors reported that $865.3 million in net inflows were made for the week. Inflows were positive on every trading day, rising from $170 million on Monday to a weekly high of $244 million on Wednesday, before easing back to $102 million on Friday. However, even as the sector grows, consolidation is starting to occur. Asset manager Hashdex reported this week that it will close and liquidate its $14.7 million spot Bitcoin ETF, which trades under the ticker DeFi. This will occur on August 17th. It appears to be the first closure of a US spot Bitcoin ETF. The fund remained far smaller than market leader IBIT, highlighting how assets and flows tend to concentrate into certain products over time. And in other ETF news, market maker Wintermute has gained SEC approval to operate as a US broker-dealer. This allows it to trade equities and ETF blocks, including those in the crypto sector, and brings another major crypto liquidity provider far closer to traditional financial market rails. Let's take a quick look at the tokenization headlines. And the XRP Ledger is developing new privacy features aimed at institutional use. The platform wishes to offer confidential transfers that can conceal transaction amounts while still allowing authorized access for compliance purposes. The upgrades are designed to support regulated tokenized assets. Around $530 million in real-world assets are already active on the Ripple network. Meanwhile, CoinShares and Token Terminal reported this week that deposits in tokenized real-world assets more than tripled over the past year to $7.4 billion, even as total DeFi deposits fell by 15%. Spot trading volumes in tokenized assets also rose 220%, with growth led by assets including US Treasuries, gold, and other traditional financial instruments moving on-chain. That's the wrap for this week. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next time.